Academy. Today we are going to solve past question. This is MTH 112 past question, and the question says simplify 0.25 raised to -2. How are you going to solve this question? This question is under indices. For you to solve this question, the first thing that you do is to convert the decimal into fraction. This is what I'm saying, solution. To solve this question, first of all, convert the decimal into fraction. Convert the decimal into fraction. How do we convert the decimal into fraction? They gave us 0.25 raised to -2. Write the 0.25 raised to -2. This is the equation being given to us. Now to convert this 0.25 to fraction, to convert it now, we are having 25. Write your 25. This is the 25. Draw the line of division. This is the line of division. 1 is always constant. You put your 1. Go back to the equation. Count from here. 1, 2. You can see 1, 2. Represent these two numbers into 0. So it will be what? 0, 0. If here is 3, take for example, maybe you have 0.333. To convert this number into decimal, this is what you do. Write 3, 3, 3. Then your line of division. 1 is always constant. You have 1. Go back to the equation. 1, 2, 3. Represent it with what? 0. We have 1, 2, 3. This is how you convert a decimal into fraction. If you divide this number by 1000, you definitely have this number. If you divide 25 by 100, you definitely have 0.25. Now let's proceed to solve our question. Our question says we should simplify 0.25 raised to -2, and which is this question. Already we have converted this decimal into fraction. The next thing is to bring our -2 raised to what? -2. Now we have other things to do here. This minus, for us to get rid of this minus, there is a law of indices that will follow. That law says whenever you are having a over b raised to negative, let's say a number now, let's say 2. For me to get rid of this number, I can invert the fraction here. This denominator will become the numerator, and the numerator will become the denominator. This is what I'm saying. The bottom will become the top, and the top will become the bottom. Look at it. It's equivalent to b over a raised to what? 2. The minus is no longer there. This is the law that we are going to apply here. We are going to apply this law here. To apply this law now, that means our 100 will become the top, and the 25 will become the bottom. We have equal to 100 over 25, and the minus is no longer there. We have what? Ordinary 2. We have ordinary 2. Now we can simplify further. 100 divided by 25, we have what? We have 4. 100 divided by 25, we have 4. And this is our square. And you can see that 4 squared is equivalent to 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And that is the final answer. Do more to follow this channel so that you can get more of this video. Thank you.